aloe. Hey, we just got an aloe. We just got an aloe plant, you guys. So this has actually been in my refrigerator for quite some time now. So I'm not gonna lie. This is an aloe vera plant. Yes, take your time. Look at the marvel and glory of this aloe vera plant. Notice the sharp edges. So let's be careful actually when holding this. I don't know if an aloe vera plant is a cactus or what, but it's a plant. It's plant-based. It's plant life. So why do I have an aloe vera plant, right? I know. You're like, what the heck? What's going on? Do you like my set it off gel braids, you know? Yeah, we got it going on today. So, I got some hang time, so don't do me. Don't do me, baby. I have freshly washed my face. Look at all of this. Look at these scars, these blemishes. I am over it, okay? Ooh, God. Yes, I have a bump on my face, just above my lip, and one over here. And I also had one right here. And if you're wondering, I just popped one the other day over here somewhere. And maybe like a month ago, I popped that one, and that's why that one's so big. And I popped a couple over here. But the point of the story is, I have acne. Oh yeah, and I was doing something with my YouTube when I was moving my light, and you can kind of see like the light bulb popped in my forehead, like literally. So I was like, how can I go back to being a beautiful, bad, bougie girl? You know, so I was like, aloe vera. I somehow came up with this aloe vera, and I was like, we're going to do an aloe vera challenge. So, yeah. I'm going to do a 5-day aloe vera challenge. So what you're going to need is a knife. Okay, if you are not 18, 16, 12, or mentally stable to have a knife, you need to go find an adult. Oh yeah, if you're a kid, definitely that part. You need to go find an adult to buy you this cactus. You might be a little boss. So I don't know, but you need to not be handling knives. That's all I'm trying to say, because I don't want to get sued. I have a fork, you know what I'm saying, to mix things in a handy dandy bowl. We're gonna cut her up and we're gonna mix it. And then I have some Tupperware. I mean, come on now. Every DIY, whatever, gotta have the Tupperware on deck. Like, I got like compartments and stuff to this, so yeah. All right. And then of course you're gonna need the main component, aloe vera plant, and a cutting board. All right. So I don't know if y'all really want to see this, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back, and look at this. I'm trying to see. Oh my goodness. Whoa. 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 Are you guys getting that? Yeah. Okay, so from what I see people do, wash your... Sorry, my camera's a little... So this is my skin. Here goes nothing. Okay, so it definitely has a smell to you guys. Okay, so it's a little bit of gel. You can tell I kind of used it. I don't have a really big face, so I don't know how much of this I'm supposed to use. And I hear some people sleep in this. I'll go ahead and get that neck too, baby. That's what it looked like. That's what it looks like, you guys. So yeah, let's I'm trying to see where the stuff really kind of stinks bad. Like, I don't really want to tell y'all, but yeah, scrubbing it on my face, baby. Gonna get all up in those pores. I guess this is how you do it. Careful around your eyes always. And right here, we're gonna get that. I wonder if I'm doing this right. Hopefully I don't have an allergic reaction. My hand didn't break out yet, so I think we're all good. See, my face is darker than the rest of my body. Car wreck that I'd have hyperpigmentation on my face. So, and I'm definitely rubbing it all up on that pimple. I don't know. I really want to coat this on my face. Like, this was inexpensive, so I feel like I could go back to the store to go get more. Also, be careful for the edges because they will cut you.